Hi and welcome, Optic Rocks fans. Today we will have a look on a nice on a nice script. This example we're starting with 12 sources. You see on the left side, and what we can change in the script. It means one thing we can change is this angle alpha and this angular step, and also we can change the diameter. You see here on the left, this is a diameter of 4 millimeters, and on the right there's a diameter of 3 millimeters. Also, like I said, also this angle steps or angle distance, this is here 30 and this is here 45. That's more distance. And also we can change the numbers. Here's 12 and here's 8. And we will have because like you change the number of optical sources with your hand, like by hand, if you're deleting this, and then you have to change the angular steps. And for this I have just made a slide for a brief overview. That means um, for this example we use 12 sources. It means like we put in the script here the angle distance of 30, but if you maybe you use just 8, just divide 360 um, uh, just divide 360 by 8, and then you get the perfect angle step. Yeah, thank you for this. Let's have some. Alright, I just opened this file. Please, if you want to download this, you find the link in the show notes. And here's the embedded script. Oh, before, let's have a look. Here are the 8 sources, for example. And here's a analyzing surface. Yeah, I think this is not a lot of to see in this example, but yeah, just for you, I can calculate, and I can also analyze this and analyze. But yeah, but you see just the irradiation of our analyzing surface. Alright, let's have a look. Maybe let's add some of the sources. Just I think we will add 2 more sources. I just put string, copy, and paste it. And you see there are now 10 sources, and they're overlaid here. Okay, now I go through my script. That means like just this embedded script, double click, and maybe let's put this guy on the right side. Here we go. That we're seeing what we're changing. Okay, this is now the distance. This is very easy. I just put a 4 in there, then right click, run embedded script, and you see the diameter is changing. For example, I put here a 6, just to run the script, and you see the distance is moving what you want. This is very easy. But I think 4 should be fine. We just run this again. Okay, here we go. And now there are the angular steps. Before we had 8 with 45. Now we have 10. If you divide it 360, we divide it by 10. That's 36. Then we run this again. Run embedded script, and you see now it's changed automatically. Okay, let's add 5 more sources. Just paste it. Okay, 15, and if we're dividing 360 by 15, then yeah, they're 24. And we run this again. Run embedded script, and you see it's very fast changing, and you can do your simulation again. Okay, this is not restricted at the source. For the source, you can just easily change your source what you want, and the script is just looking for what source is in there, and doesn't matter if this is a LED, if this is just this LED file. This is just a file field of an LED. But yeah, feel free to add this and to change this. And like I said, this is in the show notes. Um, I I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment and thank you very much for watching.